Hey, this is Jason out here at the world famous bootlegger Harley-Davidson in beautiful Knoxville, Tennessee. And if you've been in the market for a Harley-Davidson that is low to the ground, blacked out, it's a Softail, it's slim, and it's fast, look no further, stop your search because I have the bike just for you. Boom, there it is. This is a 2016 Softail Slim S, and we're going to do a detailed review on this motorcycle. But to get us started today, I will tell you that this motorcycle has received a detailed inspection and has also received its 1,000-mile service by our certified Harley-Davidson technicians. So what does that mean? That means this bike is ready to ride. We've looked this motorcycle over from tip to tail, and it is clean. It shines, it's beautiful, and any marks that might be on the bike, I'll do my best to point out to you. But from our eyes, this bike is pristine. So let's start talking about this 2016 Softail Slim S. The S simply means that it is blacked out. There's just a little splash of chrome in there, but this thing is blacked out. The front forks are blacked out. The wheels are blacked out with some nice chrome accented spokes. Look at this front fender. Shine. I'm going to go ahead and point out because this part is exciting. I'm going to zoom in right here. Oh yeah, you see the eagle head. Do you Harley riders know what the eagle head means? That means the Screamin Eagle. Softail Slim S simply means that this also has the 110-inch Screamin Eagle engine placed in it, and this thing absolutely flies. Blacked out exhaust. It's got that awesome V-twin Harley-Davidson sound that we've all grown to love. One upgrade that is on this bike is that front headlight. They've installed the Harley-Davidson Daymaker headlight. It's blacked out, but it shines in the night with that headlight. Just look at how clean this motorcycle is. The Softail Slim S has an outstanding old school look. This is the lowest height motorcycle that Harley-Davidson makes. It sits low to the ground. If you're a tall rider, you're going to have a blast on this. If you have a short inseam, your feet will be firmly planted on the ground. It's also very slim. You can check out that back end, but it gives it a great old school look with that side mounted license plate. Those blacked out exhaust pipes. These floorboards come with rocking the old school half moon boards. Oh yeah. It's beautiful. Softail Slim S. And as we dive in here a little bit deeper, I'm going to show you the mileage on this motorcycle. That's right. You're seeing it firsthand. 1,391 miles on this motorcycle. It's ready to ride, and it even has cruise control. Very nice feature, so you can peel off some highway miles. Softail Slim S. The tread life on these tires is a lot of life left, many miles to be ridden. Look at that blacked out engine with some chrome accented highlights in there. Absolutely outstanding motorcycle. And it can be yours here at Bootlegger Harley-Davidson in Knoxville, Tennessee. We have set a low reserve on this motorcycle. It has a low reserve. It's currently in our showroom for $16,999. But we're going to begin the bidding on this motorcycle at $99. No, I did not make a mistake in that quote. The bid will begin at $99, or you can buy it now for $15,999. That's $1,000 less than it's sitting on our showroom floor. This Softail Slim S can be yours. We do ship nationwide. We do ship statewide. We do ship worldwide. So no matter where you are at, this Softail Slim S can show up on your doorstep. I want you to give me a call personally. My name is Jason. My cell phone number is 865-333-0225. Again, that's 865-333-0225. And this Softail Slim S can be yours. Let's talk. Give me a call, day or night. I'm Jason with Bootlegger Harley-Davidson in Knoxville, Tennessee.